I am crane operator. This instructor is very good instructor to teach me, and thank you very much for being a crane operator.
Okay. Good morning, sir. My name is Mark Joseph, crane operator. Sir Aslam is a very good instructor. The teaching is very simple and understanding.
Good day, I'm Raymond. I am crane operator in the company of PGB. Mr. Aslam is a very good trainer. He is really to focus on you to review, and also he better how to understand you in reviewing.
Sir, good morning. I am Vito Katunog, sir. I am a train operator. This is the trainer, sir, Muhammad Aslam is a very good trainer, 100% sir, pass for Aramco.
By the way, good morning. My name is Anthony Dora. I'm a crane operator of PEB. This trainer is Muhammad Aslam. He's a nice instructor. I will put myself in exam Aramco, pass 100%.
Thank you. Hello, hi everyone. Good morning. I am Muhammad Aslam, crane operator, Aramco instructor. Now, today we are study is the finish. This is my old friend from Philippines. All is the mobile crane operator, and inshallah he will be pass 100%. Thank you.